Question 37. In a particular reaction between copper metal and silver nitrate, 13 grams of copper produced 40 grams of silver. What is the percent yield of silver in this reaction? So percent yield is the actual yield divided by the theoretical yield times 100%. Okay. The actual yield, we're told this reaction produced 40 grams. Now, we need to do some work to figure out what is the theoretical yield. So it says here we started with 13 grams of copper. Let's find out how much silver could have been produced. So 1 mole of copper has a mass of 63.5 grams. The mole ratio of copper to silver is 2 moles of silver are produced for every 1 mole of copper. And then to find the theoretical yield of silver in grams, we need the molar mass of silver, which is 108 grams of silver per mole of silver. Again, just emphasizing again, we're doing this dimensional analysis to cancel grams of copper first, then moles of copper, then moles of silver, so that we're left with grams of silver as our theoretical yields. Okay, and we get a theoretical yield equal to 44.22 grams of silver. So if I take that, plug it in right here, 44.22 grams, multiply by 100. This, you can see right here, this gets me to my 90.6%. Okay. I actually did this in a calculator using that 44.22 and I got 90.5. Okay, but remember that my molar masses are whole numbers or rounded to a half, and that's on purpose so that I can do as much of this as possible without the use of my calculator. But, hang on to some decimals there if you want to get it even closer. But again, this is praxis prep, right? And we just need to get as close as we can to the answer choices with our estimation. So we get 90.6% here, percent yield in this reaction.